Welcome back to The Best Cars, the channel where you get the latest updates, reviews, and first looks at the most exciting cars hitting the roads. If you're passionate about cars that mix performance, style, and smart engineering, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss an update. Today, we're talking about one of the most iconic hatchbacks in automotive history, the 2025 Volkswagen Polo. It's back, it's better, and it's bringing a fresh wave of innovation to the compact car segment. Let's dive into what makes the new Polo such a compelling choice for city drivers and car enthusiasts alike. First off, the 2025 Polo carries forward Volkswagen's commitment to clean design and solid build quality. The exterior has been refined, with sharper lines, a lower stance, and a wider front grille that gives it a sportier, more modern look. LED headlights are now standard, seamlessly integrated into the front fascia for a more aggressive and sophisticated appearance. The rear end also gets a subtle makeover, with updated tail lights and a redesigned bumper that enhances its road presence without being over the top. Under the hood, the new Polo offers a choice of efficient engines tailored for urban and long-distance driving. The base model comes with a 1.0-liter three-cylinder TSI petrol engine that delivers around 95 to 110 horsepower, providing a smooth and responsive drive. For those looking for more punch, Volkswagen is also offering a 1.5-liter four-cylinder TSI with up to 150 horsepower, ideal for drivers who want more excitement without compromising on fuel economy. Speaking of efficiency, Volkswagen continues to refine its engine technology. The Polo now features improved start-stop systems and mild hybrid options in select markets, helping reduce emissions and improve overall fuel consumption. Whether you're stuck in city traffic or cruising on the highway, the 2025 Polo is designed to be frugal yet fun. Inside, the Polo has taken a big leap forward in terms of technology and comfort. The cabin now features a fully digital cockpit with a high-resolution instrument cluster and an 8-inch infotainment touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials feel more premium and the layout is intuitive, giving the interior a mini Golf vibe. There's more space too, thanks to smarter packaging and slight adjustments in dimensions. Rear seat passengers now get more legroom, and the boot space is among the best in its class. Volkswagen has also stepped up safety features in the 2025 Polo. Standard across most trims are advanced driver assistance systems like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, front assist with emergency braking, and parking sensors. Higher trims even offer semi-autonomous driving features, something rare in this category. All in all, the 2025 Volkswagen Polo remains a top contender in the compact car segment. It combines German engineering with smart tech, fuel efficiency, and an updated design that feels both youthful and mature. Whether you're a first-time buyer or just looking for a reliable, stylish daily driver, the new Polo is definitely worth a look. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Best Cars for more updates on the world's best vehicles. See you in the next one.